Hi folks, you're watching another one of my videos that for some reason you've decided to do so. Right here I have a copy of macOS 10 public beta, which was released on, I actually don't know, let me check. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like September 13th, 2000. So on September 13th, 2000, they released the public beta version of macOS 10 to the public. There was a developer beta, but I don't have that, but this is the public beta. This one's interesting because it has the original plastic. I did not open this myself. This has been used by someone. This is just the fact that the plastic's already on here. Plastics is already on here. But, yeah. macOS 10 public beta, you can see right here, and you open the flap, you got the operating system right here. You can see right there on CD. And it looks pretty clean. You can see the way that I'm filming this video with my iPhone. But yeah. And right here, in this little flap, well, I should probably read the little note here first. It says, welcome. No, it does not. It does not say welcome. It says, Dear macOS 10 beta tester, you were holding the future of the Macintosh in your hands. macOS 10 is a new, super modern operating system that will usher in a new era for the Macintosh. New from the ground up, macOS 10 is specifically designed for the internet and includes advanced technologies for incredible improvements in stability and performance. It also features a stunning new user interface called Aqua. This public beta will give you a chance to start using macOS 10 and give us a chance to hear what you think. Let us know by visiting our website at www.apple.com/macOS10. Thanks for your help and for being a part of Apple history. We couldn't do it without you. They just include a little note to make you feel like you're doing something with your life. Oh, I put the thing on my keyboard. And then right here you have a Welcome to macOS 10 booklet with a lot of the same things as the version from OS 10. And if you didn't watch my OS 10, my official version of OS 10 unboxing, you can watch that down below. I've linked that in the description. But yeah, this booklet looks very similar, just has screenshots that differ because the OS did change from the public beta to the macOS 10 release. You have your AppleCare support options right here with phone numbers that you can call if you've been having issues. Right here you have a list of places that they are in different countries, so you can where to find Apple in the world, including in like the Middle East, in Africa, the Mediterranean, Africa, Asia, more Asia, Americas, more Americas, and Asia's are there twice for some reason. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, right here, okay, I need to be careful here. Under here is the original receipt, so hold on. So right here you have your Apple Computer Incorporated software agreement that I think 3 people have read. I said that in my last video. 3 people have read this. Okay, right here is the original receipt, which is actually pretty interesting. I have some of it blurred because it has personal information like addresses and stuff. But, and, you know, orders and if it's still important, even though it is 20 years old now? Yeah, that's 20 years old now. It might be important. So you can see, you know, like the model number, the description, and what an Apple receipt looked like from 2000. You can see this was printed on, or the order was placed on September 18th, 2000, which if you remember correctly, that was just a couple days after the, it was released to manufacturing on September 13th. So, yeah. I need to be careful here. Okay. So you can see I'm just going to package this back up because I like to keep it in pretty good condition. But yeah. I did actually install this operating system on my iMac G3, which is kind of hard because I had to set the date back in the clock on the computer before doing so, because this operating system has an expiry date of, I think it's May 15th, 2001, which is a couple months after the official version of OS 10 shipped. So you couldn't use that operating system for that long. Not even a year after it was released. But thank you for watching. I should probably put this back in the plastic before we go. Hold up. And I did the best I could. I tried to put in the plastic the best I could. It's still pretty cool that I have the plastic, though. Thank you for watching another one of my weird videos. Maybe I'll make a couple more of these. I said this in the last video, if you want to see more videos of me unboxing my old software that I have around, let me know. I'd be happy to do that, but I know these videos are very annoying, and you probably wouldn't want to for that long. Thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed. I'll see you guys later.